There you are. Everybody's hungry. Let's make some food. So, what do we got? Well, tonight we're doing universal food. Yep. Green beans and potatoes. Thai style. Thai green curry. So, let's start with some onions. Throw those in this nice hot pan. You hear them sizzling. Yep. We're doing Asian cooking cuisine, which means high heat and fast. Unlike French cuisine, where you simmer the onions for an hour or so, if you're after that extreme taste. So, here I am with an invisible pan. Yep. Right over there. So, as I've been saying, this is kind of universal food. The other day I made green beans and potatoes Indian style. And I'm eventually going to get around to making green beans and potatoes Italian style. But here we're making green beans and potatoes Thai style. So, as stated, fast heat. Or fast cooking. So, onions in there, they're going to brown fairly quickly. While I'm at it, let's throw in a red bell pepper chopped up. Oh yeah, you hear that. Everything's cooking. And I got a couple of cloves of garlic here. Yeah, excitement, excitement, excitement. Watching things brown in the pan. A little extra oil for good luck. Okay. Actually, let's give that a minute. Okay, that's cooking nicely. But you definitely want the onions to cook a little. Yeah, Asian cooking's great if you're a fussy cook like I am, or fidgety cook, I should say. So here I've got some chopped up basil. A lot. I got some green beans, rinsed, or washed I should say. Both ends chopped off, cut into bite-sized pieces. I got 3 small Yukon Gold potatoes. I've got a can of coconut milk. Soy, ginger, from a tube, sorry, and Thai green curry paste. Oh yeah. Okay, here we go. We're getting some just beginning. Yes, I know. Ordinarily I start the onions without you. This time I was just thinking I'd be inclusive, I guess. Yeah, the thing about the Thai green curry paste is you have to make sure you use enough of it. I was kind of cheap the other night when I made this for Mrs. Chef, and she said, spice it up quick. Oh yeah. And some red pepper flakes. So, how are we doing? Okay, good. That is genuinely coming along nicely. So, the basic technique is you brown the onions and peppers, throw in the green beans, like this. And give those a few minutes to brown. How am I doing on time? Oh, I'm running low on time. Okay, so brown the onions and peppers, throw in the green beans, let them cook a little bit. Create your spice flavor with the soy, ginger, green curry paste, and red pepper flakes. Then you add the coconut milk and boil the potatoes gently in the coconut milk. So, let's see how we do here. Okay, we have a wonderful fresh vegetable smell coming up. Let me see if I can show this to you here. Yeah, I know. It looks terribly exciting, doesn't it? This is a thoroughly meat-optional dish. So if you have leftover chicken, for example, you can throw that in too and have that slowly simmer in the coconut milk. Okay, good. So, a little soy. Oh yeah, that ought to do the trick. A little bit of ginger. The thing is, if you're using canned spices like I am, with this ginger, you want it to have a chance to cook the preserved flavor away. So, hit it on the pan, you know? So, a little bit of red pepper flakes, just for good luck. And now, a lot of Thai green curry paste. And you just pick this up at the supermarket in the Asian foods aisle. And you want to use enough of it to make an impression. Ideally, add it now to the hot pan and get rid of any preserved flavor. Okay, now we're starting to smell like a Thai restaurant in here. Oh. I'm going to turn down the heat a bit to keep from burning the spices. Excitement, you know? Cooking's easy. So let's throw in some potatoes, like that. And because the potatoes are basically going to boil in the coconut milk, there's not a lot to be done except throw them on the floor like that. Yeah, I don't think we'll be eating that one. So, if you're not sure if you'd like this, find a Thai restaurant, order green curry. It's a classic with green beans and potatoes. Okay, I'm going to add some coconut milk. And the thing about coconut milk is you got to shake the can. Agitate it because the coconut butter will build up on the surface. So you got to shake it, stir it around a bit before you pour it out. Or else you can just use a spoon and scoop it out. Anyway. Okay. This is amazing. Okay, so that needs some time to cook. And when it's about 3 minutes to serving time, I'll add in the basil. You want to add your basil last to keep its flavors fresh and strong. Otherwise, they'll cook down and mellow out to nothing. So that's it. Universal food too. In this case, I will be adding some chicken. Yeah, you can see we've been eating on this. So to recap, onions, garlic, red bell pepper. Onions, garlic, red bell pepper. Green beans, soy, ginger, red bell pepper, Thai green curry paste, potatoes, coconut milk, let it boil, basil, and chicken, if you're going to do meat. If you got leftover pork roast, leftover whatever, you can throw that in. So, yeah, that's it. Oh, and I want to keep the heat in to cook those potatoes thoroughly. Either use Yukon Gold or red potatoes. They tend to boil up better, especially in coconut milk. So that's it. Yeah, dinner. It's that easy. It's that fast. This is social media. Please be good social citizens and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.